Hello, so today I'll be showing you guys the type of food that you can find in a market here in China. Usually many of you wonder whether we have or we do eat the same meals with Chinese people. So as you can see, they have a couple of fruits, though sometimes most of them differ from us in terms of shape. They are very big. They have a variety of vegetables as well, as you can see. So Chinese actually do have quite similar products as us, but I've just noticed that they are so big sometimes, and also in terms of variety of maybe Western things or kitchen utensils, kitchen equipment, all of them, they really have a lot. One of the things that is also well common here are this type of seafood, fishes, all kind of seafoods are always there, and they always make them alive or sell them alive. Then they also have a couple of spices. Actually, Chinese, I think they have a lot of spices, as you can see here. There are usually a lot. They also have a couple of powdered meals, as you can see here. They have maize and a lot of them. They have rice, different kinds. In fact, their supermarkets are always well furnished, and one of the things I like the most you see are these ladies, these sales assistants that are always there, to give you direction in case you can't find something or maybe you need any help. So that was all for today. Please like and subscribe.